Hi, let's walk through how we can use generative AI, specifically retrieval augmented generation, to dramatically improve product search for retail. Let's start with a typical problem. Customers would like to enter natural, complex queries like, I need a gaming laptop that's also good for video editing, has good battery life, and is under $2,000. Now watch what happens on a traditional retail site, such as Best Buy in this example. As you can see, the results aren't terribly great. We either get irrelevant items or generic listings that miss the mark. This is a limitation of keyword-based search. It doesn't understand context or intent. Customers have to think like machines instead of just asking for what they want. Our retail customers tell us that roughly 25% of their customer search queries fall under this complex category. So finding a solution could make a significant impact to direct top-line revenue. To that end, what customers really want from their website experience is a system that understands the full meaning behind that query. And that's where retrieval augmented generation comes in. Let me show you. Here's a Langflow app we built for this demonstration. Langflow is a visual builder for generative AI flows. It lets us piece together powerful models and data sources with almost no code. In this case, the flow is powered by a multimodal language model from Google Vertex, which can understand complex natural language queries along with images, videos, and other data types. And we're using AstraDB as the vector database. It stores our product catalog in a way that enables semantic and hybrid search like the one we're about to see. A quick note, Astra is widely used by retailers already for things like e-commerce catalogs, purchase transactions, and personalization at scale. So it's a natural fit for this use case. Let's run the same query through this new search experience in Langflow's playground area that's used for testing our flows. I need a gaming laptop that can also handle video editing, has good battery life, and is under $2,000. Here it is in more natural terms. Now, as it processes, the AI agent does its work against our data sources for accuracy. It takes a few seconds, but you'll see that the quality should be much improved. First, you can see the query understanding, then the search results itself, followed by why these results. So overall, the response is relevant. It includes an explanation of why these products match, and it feels like the system understood what I was looking for. You can see here, it breaks down what it is that you have put in your natural language terms. The results are pretty standard for what we would look for. These look pretty accurate in looking at it anecdotally. And the results are a balance of gaming performance, video editing capabilities, battery life, and price constraints. So overall, this is a big shift. This experience is more helpful, more human-like, and more likely to convert. Once this flow is working the way that you want, you can deploy it as an API or embed it directly into your existing search user interface. Langflow supports flexible integrations, such as Python, JavaScript, and REST API endpoints for whatever fits your stack. It even includes an MCP server for Model Context Protocol interfaces and integrations. So to wrap up, this approach takes the guesswork out of search, aligns with how people actually shop, and boosts both relevance and revenue potential. We're happy to dive deeper or help you explore how this type of solution could work in your own e-commerce use cases for retail. Thank you for watching.